right here for my stages. Some of my stages have different terrain. So in this one, where's the floor? Where is the floor? Here's the floor. No, this is the versus stage. I'm sorry, I'm a liar. This one kind of has like a soft, snowy ground type of look to it. This one has hardwood. What I've done was there's this step sound effect. So at the beginning of each stage, there's a variable. As you can see right here, system variable B, it says replace the 3. So system variable B, if it is 3, it says go to step sound effect 8, which is here. And I have a sound effect that sounds like you're stepping on wood. One for like soft sound, and then one for when you're walking in snow. So if we go to those stages, and actually I'm going to disable the background music so you can actually hear it. Go to none. That might cause a glitch. We'll save. Man, my game is a lot bigger than I thought. At some point it will save, and at some point I can demonstrate the sound effect. Or I might have crashed. I don't think I've crashed. Okay, I might have crashed. Oh, wait. Nope, I think I crashed, so let's just, Come on, I'm not even using all my memory. Really? We're gonna do this? No. What do you mean access denied? I have actually never had this happen before. Oh, there it goes. That was weird. Alright. File, open. USB here. Okay. So, as I said, we're gonna go to the stage. We're going to the variable, not task, this one. And we're going to disable the music to none. And while we're here, we'll go here to tavern and disable that to none. So we'll save. And hopefully my computer, 2DFM can take it, because I'm fairly sure with 16 gigs of RAM, my computer can take it. Or apparently not, I'm not too sure. Oh, it made it this time. Okay. So, we will go into Mount Thunderheim. Alright, so there's no sound. Fight! That is the sound effect of... That's interesting. Why is that? That should be a different sound effect when they jump. But the stepping sound effect, there you go. Every time he steps, it sounds like he's stepping on snow. So if we change the stage to Tavern, let that load, it will now sound, when he walks, it will sound like he is stepping on wood. And I did not change anything from going from one stage to the other except for disabling the music. So you know that I didn't do any magic voodoo business.
Ready and waiting. Fight!
And now it sounds like they're stepping on wood. So, let's do something similar and on our test game. File, open game. New game. All right. So, every time my character steps, we want a different sound effect depending on where he is. Now, I only have 2 stages right now. So we will do stupid sound effects just for the sake of doing it. So it looks like right here is the sound effect. So we're going to use a call skill. And I think, let's see. Yep, right there is when he has the other sound effects, or he steps again. So again, we will do call skill. And we're only going to do this for forward. So we're going to add a new skill right after the basic walking animations called step sound effect. We're going to use a variable, just as if we've been doing. We will use system variable, no, not A, we used A, we used B, so system variable C. If it's the same, then we will add a sound, condition fork. Where is, oh, add sound. And we will add an end skill. Since we're going to do 2 different sound effects, we will do another sound and we will do another end skill. We have 2 variables for 2 sound effects. Both of them will be set to system variable C. This one will be 2. So we'll set that there. And we'll set this one to the first sound effect. We will set the first sound effect to whatever this is. Sure. So if we pick the first stage, which is, I guess it says Tavern, so every time Soshin Day steps, that will play. And if we pick the other stage, it will be the other sound effect. Oop, nope, hold on. That's the wrong variable to change. Where is it? There it is. So we're going to go system variable C, I'm sorry. Replace that to 2. And on this one, system variable B, replace to 1. Disable the music on both of them. We will save. I don't have a demo. Test play. So it's not working. Where did I go wrong? Oh, I know what I did wrong. Because I didn't follow my own words and I said it would only work if he walks forward. And it's still not working. System variable C, it's the same, go to 3. Stages, Tavern, system variable C. It's on B, that's why. Always check your variables. It still doesn't want to work. So we have system variable C replaced to 1 on Soshin Day, or not Soshin Day, my test character. It's not calling the skill. And that's the point of test playing. Alright, so now, after 3 failures, there you go. So every time he steps, in this stage specifically, that stupid sound effect will happen. Like every time he steps, lightning sounds. So now we will go to the other stage without changing anything. And now, the sound effect has changed. So this was by using a new skill where we would redirect to do 2 different sounds. On the walking animation, wherever his foot, quote-unquote, hits the ground, I added a call skill to call the step sound effect. And this is all activated through the stage. Depending on the stage, we have a system variable that communicates with the character.